People said there was sharks around at the moment, but holy shit. Big boy. Talk to me nice. Talk to me honest. G'day guys, welcome back to another episode. The weather today is so nice. It's literally fully glassed off. Out with Connor on the boat, he's just washing the only squid we caught. We had an epic day yesterday. We've actually had an epic weekend. We went up north. The water was a bit murky, so we didn't really get much footage up there. We ended up coming back down here, and you guys see by the video title, it was one epic experience yesterday and one that we'll never forget. Anyway, before we get into a bit of a story time, I'm going to roll on the footage from up at Ledge, show you guys what we got up to.
I'm trying to touch the States this time. 2021.
Friday night for a boy.
Yeah, show him I can still rap though.
Now I'm in the game, I was on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. Run it up. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the bag like here I go again. Outside says chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma make it, keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on?
Alright, so we literally had to fly, snatch to the back of the trailer and try and tow it up. It's just not made for this type of stuff. Ramshack's on the tinny. Oh boy, tinny's got so much water in it. Yeah, you're good. Far out. That is not healthy. Oh, that is not made to drive that. Oh, that'll do there, surely. Buddy, perfect, good to go. Anyway, so it ended up being a pretty good weekend with the boys, really. It was pretty chill. Apart from we couldn't really go in the boat, couldn't really do much spearing because the water was so murky. The week was just a massive swell and it's just made the whole coast. We ended up actually trying a few places down the coast and it was murky everywhere we tried. So that's where we ended up just jumping in the car, left up from Ledge Point early and we came down to Carnac Island. We thought we'd have a bit of a spear out the back. And well, did that take a turn for the worse. So we tried one spot that wasn't too much there, it was a bit shallow, so we ended up coming around the back and we had all the boys, I think it was Connor and Jayden that ended up jumping off the boat, and I'll show you guys where we are here. So we're in this exact location right here, and as you can see there's like sort of the back of Carnac Island, and there's a bit of reef just over here that sort of, I guess, drops off quite deep, and if I show you guys here, I think there's a bommy out the back. You can barely see anything and it is so murky. So anyway, we ended up swimming from the boat. They were all in there having a bit of a spear and stuff, and about 2 minutes later I was ready, so I jumped in, and I didn't have a spear or anything. It was just me. I had my flippers and my goggles and I was just sort of swimming around, and I ended up diving right down. This is like 10 seconds by the way. I ended up diving straight down to the bottom, had a look in under a little cave down there. I think it's about 6 meters deep, and I ended up just coming up and was just floating towards the top, just looking forward. You know, I didn't really, I guess, think anything was going to happen too much because I swam out of here a million times and never even seen a shark. So when I saw it, I was sort of mid-drift in the water, probably about 3 meters from the surface, and I turned around and he wasn't really looking at me as such, he was just going past, so I got to see the full side view of him, and man, the respect I have for them animals now, they are massive creatures. But I ended up just turning around and slowly kept an eye on him and just backpedaled back to the reef. I'm not really sure why I didn't come back to the boat, but ended up going back to the reef, which you can see is just over there. So kept an eye on him. I sort of lost sight of him for a bit, and then I was looking for the boys and couldn't see them anywhere, and they were actually just around the other side of the reef there. So I was backpedaling back, and then he ended up coming back once more time, and that's when I got to the reef and I screamed at the boys. They thought I was just joking at one stage, because that's what we do. We're just a bit idiots really, and we sort of joke about it. We don't really expect we're going to see a shark. And anyway, they got to the reef, they were stressing out. Jayden was a bit more stressed out than Connor here, but yeah, it was a bit of an experience really. So the next bit is literally like one of those movies that you watch with the shark horror stories, but we're basically clinging onto the reef just over there, and the shark, we sort of just stayed up there for about 10 minutes, and the shark sort of, I don't know, disappeared. We couldn't really see it because we were on top of the reef, and Connor and I ended up coming down and we looked over the edge of the reef and we could just see the shadow still there. This is about 10 minutes later, and not gonna lie, we were a little bit scared because the reef was there, the shark was there, and the boat is just here. So we didn't really know what we were going to do, but ended up waiting about another 5 minutes, and Jayden was still, in the meantime, sitting on the reef. He actually left his spear gun, his snorkel, and what else, his flippers he left behind, so he's lost all that, and ended up going back, get his spear gun just for a bit of protection, you know, just to nudge the shark if it came close. But Connor and I, the coast was clear for about 5 minutes, so we slowly come out to the boat. We didn't really want to make a commotion, although it was very, very tempting to swim really fast, but we stayed together, swam really, really slow. It's about probably maybe 20-30 meter swim, and it was really murky. You could barely see the bottom, and we ended up making it onto the boat. Jayden was still stressed inshore, but pretty much that's the story anyway. So we're definitely going to be a little bit more cautious next time we're out in the boat. Obviously you guys know that the GoPro broke, so I've got the Osmo out with me today, still waiting for the GoPro Hero 9 to come back from GoPro. They've been awesome about it, but man, I think I'm going to have to try and find some new dive buddies, I reckon, because these boys are a bit scared. What do you reckon, Dawes? Are you coming out again?
I don't know, I think I might have to give it a miss for a little bit. It's too sketchy at the moment, man.
Give it a miss for a little bit, so yeah. But we came out here today and we're going to face our fears, but she is a little bit murky still. You can barely even see the bottom, and it's only 6 meters here, so yeah, we haven't come across her yet. Hopefully we do. If we do, we'll show you guys.
How do we get this low? You come over and we start a fight. Never know who's wrong or right. Feel nothing when you go. I know it's not intelligent, drinking for the hell of it, but that's irrelevant now. We should talk about us. How come we're holding on? 'Cause really I don't see the benefits now. When you've broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you?
So I was having a chat to Connor and I thought, why don't I fly the drone over to the other side of the island where we were spearfishing yesterday and see if we can't find anything. Man, I'm telling you what, we were not disappointed. This bronzy was absolutely massive. I saw his shadow, and to be honest, I was quite surprised because I've flown the drone around here and around some other spots in this same sort of area, and I've never actually seen anything like it, so it was so crazy. I then ended up seeing 2 other massive bronzies swimming around. It was crazy. I've honestly never seen anything like this before, and it just goes to show that you've got to be careful. Yesterday's grey white sighting, and then these 3. I ended up reporting the great white that we saw yesterday to Sharkwatch, just in case anyone was having a swim nearby and didn't want a friendly local to come visit them. The lady at Sharkwatch said that she has had so many reports coming this week for the exact same area. How cool is that? Anyway, enough of me babbling on. Enjoy this footage, but let me know in the comments section the situation that you've had with a shark. Keen to hear it.
Why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me. I can't quit. It's not like we're still
Oh,
22.
big
Trying
boy.
something new.
How's it going, mate?
I don't think that we ever could.
People said there was sharks around at the moment, but holy shit. These, I think they were bronzies, I'm not quite sure, but they were, what do you reckon, like 2.5, 3 meters in length? Easily, 3 meters plus. Oh man, same spot, Carnac Island again, 2 of them on top of the reef. They were so shallow. They weren't quite as big as the great white that we saw yesterday, but man, they were still pack a punch. That is crazy. So good to see as well. It's a pity it's a bit murky. I tell you what, I don't think we're going to be swimming here for a while. Just leave them sharks to himself. I'd love to get him when it clears up a bit, but whew, jeez, that is so cool. Anyway, man, we are stinking hot after that. The sun's up in the sky and it's about 40 degrees. 0 wind, as you can see. So we're going to go in, have a quick swim, and then we'll probably call it a day. So take you guys along with us. Man, it is fully glassed off. Look at this. Unreal. This is literally the days you live for. Doorman rocking the Nomad's cap.
Yeah, boy.
Make sure you go get your own. Thanks so much for everyone who's gone and bought that. Appreciate it so much, guys. Can't see you guys rep it. It's getting shipped out. Should be there very soon anyway. Look at the size of him. What a crazy day. Anyway, we literally came out here just to talk about the great white yesterday, and then, man, drone footage, how crazy. Every time I come out here, something crazy happens. Those bronzies just in the shallows. So cool. Just does not get old, that stuff. Anyway, we're gonna punch in, chuck the boat on. I've got to go do some stuff and have a few meetings and stuff. So yeah, that's about it. Anyway, see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, go check out my Instagram, jamie.vogler. Check out my Facebook, Jamie Vogler. And if it's the first time watching, thanks so much. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Cheers, guys.